Cool trains of Montreal here at Dorval, and that's the train I just came in on here at Dorval around 5:45 p.m. on a Sunday evening. And there'll be about to be also a westbound double stack train here on Canadian Pacific with two ES44s in the new paint scheme shortly. Quite a full moon almost, if not totally full. Yeah, it's March 1st, 2026 today. Minus 10 degrees after a really nice day yesterday. It looks like there's some train action here at Dorval. Right around dusk. Some kind of commotion over there. Can't really see what's going on. All the lights just came on here at the Via station in Dorval. Kind of neat how that happened. Wish I had caught that. Looks like the train is ready to go. Done this in a long time. I'm out of practice. The best light's over here. Yeah. Well, I will get the DPU in a better light. This is my first CP train in a very long time here at Dorval because of the cold weather. Kind of cool. It's sitting on top of a raised platform of some kind. That one is too. Not sure why. We had two elephant style ES44s. Couldn't see too well the paint scheme, unfortunately. But when the DPU comes, you'll see that easily. This is westbound CPKC heading towards Toronto. And when I get with the moon too. here's the DPU. Yeah, maybe it'll look better than I think. I don't know. We'll see. And at the end of this train there's some auto racks. I know that because I saw it parked when I came in on the commuter train. But really, the commuter train is only about 5 minutes ahead of this. Didn't have to wait that long for this train to come. Here's the auto racks, empty. They'll be heading back to Oakville, Ingersoll, wherever. This is a great time because it's not too dark, you can't see what's going on, and you get some nice shimmer on the trains from the lights here at the train station. So it's pretty good. And of course, being March, soon we'll have the time change, so I'll be able to stay out a little bit later, and we'll get a little warmer, I hope. And there it is, that's the end of that train. I don't think anything else is going to come in. But we'll see. Alright, it doesn't appear that there's going to be another train soon, so enjoy this really cool pink sky sunset. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.